guys here, over this way towards me and the camera. I don't have my little whatchamacallit for that. Alright, so we're just going to run EVPs. Now, before everybody got here, I was running I was in here by myself running EVPs, and I got a couple of them. Right? Is there any questions you guys want to say? Any questions? You
Well,
come
just
up.
be quiet.
You guys guys ask a question. You guys speak Spanish or
Both.
both?
Yeah.
Okay, because my Spanish is not very good, and a lot of times I will try to speak in Spanish as well, and we'll get some reverts that way. So I may have to lean on you guys if you guys are fluent in Spanish, because I am not. Mi esposo es puertorriqueño, so hablas un poco, pero that's about it. Okay. What's that? Is that the fast cam going off?
That's whatever that is.
The REM pod's going off?
Temperature change.
So temperature change too, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Good evening. We have several people here that would love to speak with you. Can you tell me your name, please? My name's JP. What is your name? Are you okay with us being in your space? Yes or no? Didn't get anything on that one. Can you hear it?
I think I'm finding it. Was this turning off?
Huh?
Was this turning off?
Paranomica? No. Okay, let me see that flashlight real quick. While you guys are with me here, I'll run that speaker for you. Is that you running the REM pod off? Can you set it off again, please? If you want us to leave, turn it off. Make it go up. Okay. Let's see this at the very top up here.
It is ready. Waiting for device connecting.
Be careful, guys. Don't come this way. Go back around to the stairs on the outside out there, and then come in this way, okay? Thanks, guys. All right, so this is not working right now for some reason. back just a little bit. Just so we're not getting any false readings. I don't know what's going on with this.
Do it. We'll listen to you.
Guys, I think I gave you a faulty recorder, man. I'm so sorry.
No
I don't know
problem.
what's going on with this. I really apologize. Come in and have a seat, guys. So all we're doing right now, we're just running EVPs. Anybody have any questions? You guys that just joined us, you guys have questions?
I did hear something in the training.
You heard something in this train? Were you by yourself?
Yeah.
Okay. We got people coming in. Hi guys, come on in. I have a REM pod right here in the middle of the floor. Just make sure you step over that if you don't mind.
No problem. Can we stay on this side or?
You can come all the way in if you like. We have a couple open seats here.
Watch out, guys, stay on the floor. Okay, watch the grandpa on the floor. Boys, you heard? Look down the grandpa.
Right now, all I'm doing is just running EVP sessions. You guys have questions?
Actually, yeah.
Okay, so when I point to you, I want you to ask your question, all right?
Got it.
I have a question.
You have a question too? Okay, when I point to you, you ask your question, all right? Anybody else have a question? We do them in verse of 3.
Well, any question is, what have you been asking? Oh.
What was that?
That's not good. That was my, one of my ghost lights. And I don't have my...
You need a flashlight?
Yeah, no, I got one.
Yeah.
Just asking,
The battery went out of it.
would you like the baggage cardboard closed or?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, well,
Ooh,
can you
GoPro.
put that in there for me?
I believe.
So the REM pod's going off. Alright, let me run on that real quick. Are you setting my REM pod off right now? Yes or no? Can you tell me what your name is, please? Yes or no? Are you a male or female?
Yes.
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 Clear as day right there.
Yes.
Can you tell me what your name is, please? Yes or no?
I heard no.
Are you a male or female?
So we got it very clear. So the way that EVPs are graded, they're C, B, and A, right? C is that we can't make out anything. B is like we can kind of make something out, but we really don't know exactly what it's saying. A is obviously we all agree on something, that's what it said. So I think it said yeah.
Yeah, I agree.
All right, let's play it back and just see if we got anything.
Are you setting my ring pod off right now? Yes or no?
That was me hitting the train. I accidentally elbowed the wall of the train.
That's not the wall problem.
Yes or no?
Oh, I found it.
Are you a male or
It
Come on.
has an echo to it. Just
Right here, Bubba. So, okay, so, all right, it may be, Adrian may be right. Adrian may have hit it, so let's, thank you, sir.
It has an echo to it.
See if you can find where the battery went, Bubba.
Oh, here, put the light on. Hold on.
I want to play that for the camera real quick.
Are you setting my ring pod off right now? Yes or no? male or female?
All right. So you said you had a question, right? And you had a question, yes?
Yes, I did.
Okay. So when I point to you, I want you to ask your question, all right?
Got it.
Are you an African American? Are you a slave?
How many spirits are there in this train car with us tonight?
This one.
I want to put some context on his question, just so you guys can see. REM pod's going back off. If you can look on the wall right here, you see a sign above this young man's head. This is a segregation car, right? So we have white folk, and then they have for colored folk. I don't even like that term. So there was some context. I don't think it would be the full thing of what he was saying, but just to kind of give some context of why his
I'm
question.
actually a volunteer here. I've done tours of this car. I know a lot of history about this.
Yeah, so he knows the history of this car.
I try to integrate history